Hello, little Ember. How's my sweet kitten? No? Oh, you don't want that one? Okay. What'd you find over there? What you doing? Oh, you chasing your tail? Is there dead fruit fly in there? Huh? Hey, sweetie. Hey, sweetie. Yeah, hello. Do you know that your tail's attached to your butt? Or is your butt steak just a mysterious creature? Yeah. I little Ember. Where'd he go? How about spider hand? Spider hand. Yeah, hi. Oh yeah. Yeah, you get that mouse. Go get your toy mousey. Oh, sweetie. You can do this, Ember. I believe you are a phoenix, Ember. Look at all that down. You look like a little downy phoenix to me. Yeah, you're a good girl. I think you can do this. And if you can't, you gave it your best. But you are such a fighter. Just such a cutie. Yeah, you get. You get that ball. Oh, you get that paper too. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. I love you.